Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. So in this video, I will show you how to make a YouTube banner step by step, and including the right size and shape area that may help it fit on all device. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. So first, the process is we need to search for YouTube templates. Go to the templates and search for YouTube thumbnails design, or the so not thumbnails, is YouTube banner. Okay, so here you can see the lots of banner which we can customize. So I just choose this one. Okay, now what you need to do, just go to the customize, and okay, so choose your desired that banner design, and just go to the customize and just go to the share, download it, and download as a png. Okay, just download it. Okay, it said downloaded. Now come to the your YouTube. Okay, go to the customization and click for customer channel. So here you can see the banner image options. Go to the upload and select that banner which we downloaded, just download it and open it. Now here you can see the perfect view. Here the view of your TV, here the view on desktop, and this is a all device view. Okay, so this is a safe area. We need to make all your design in this area only. So now you can see this is a cover banner photo. It's not perfectly, looks like, you can see in all device it cut your text, it cut your, you know edges like this. Okay, so what you can do, now come to the Canva. Okay, just make this tab separate of YouTube. Now come to the Canva. Okay, now just see the your shape area line. Okay, this is our shape area line. Now come to the Canva, go to the elements and search for line. Okay, put any lines. Okay, just put this line only, and now just hit your shift key on your keyboard and just change the size or that directions. You can also change that color if you want to make visible to you. Hold the shift key and then drag. Okay, now come to the this tab, YouTube customizations. Okay, come to your YouTube banner option where we had uploaded that banner. Now just see the line where it is come. Okay, so it's come on n. Okay, con just okay, on n it is cut half n. So come here and just use your keyboard rows and put your this line same at same place. Okay, now just copy this line, just you can select that line. Okay, and copy it by clicking Ctrl C and Ctrl V, then it will be paste. Now drag that your right side and see where it is the save area view. It is like middle S, so just keep it is in middle S. You can use the keyboard rows, so place properly. Now here we need to design this in this area. This is our safe area, so here we need to design all the your banner, your YouTube banner design. Okay, so now just make sure you put everything into this within this design only. I just make something changes. It is sample, you can make properly to your int. Okay, now you can see you can minimize, maximize the size. You can change the font color to looks proper. Okay, okay, sorry. Okay, it's done now. Now download it as a png. I just rename it, download as a PNG. Now let's download it. Now come to your YouTube banner, cancel it. Now go to again upload and upload that final banner. You can see now this is our main view. So it is the safe area, it is visible to the all device. You can see now done. Now you can see looks perfect. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.